Let me show you how I use these atoms to teach about photosynthesis. And by the way, it's Halloween, that's why I look like a dinosaur. The students in my biology classes are learning about the reactants and products of photosynthesis. Using these atoms, students made models of each of the different types of molecules involved in this process. At the start of this activity, students made 6 molecules of water and 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. These are, of course, the inputs of photosynthesis. They had to draw each of these molecules in the space provided here on this half sheet. They then had to figure out how many atoms of each element there were in water and carbon dioxide and then add them together. This is again how many atoms go into the reaction of photosynthesis. I then had my students rearrange the atoms to make 6 molecules of oxygen and 1 of these molecules of glucose. This sugar molecule is the main product of photosynthesis. And we talked about how the atoms just are rearranged during photosynthesis to make one of these larger glucose molecules. Students also had to draw the oxygen and glucose molecules as well as count the number of elements. We also got to see that each of the atoms that we ended with were originally there at the beginning. Now, the really cool thing about this activity was I did it in both my biology and my AP biology classes. However, I didn't do the worksheet in my AP biology classes, and they just did it as a warm-up activity that honestly lasted probably about 5 minutes. But they still got to see that the reactants became the products through this process of photosynthesis. If you would like this activity, I'm going to post the materials on my Teacher Pay Teachers for free.